Hey everyone, Dave2D here, and today we're diving into the exciting world of the MacBook Pro M3. Apple's latest and greatest laptop is turning heads, and not just for its sleek design and powerful performance. The big question on everyone's mind, can this machine handle serious gaming? The M3 chip is a beast, boasting incredible processing power and efficiency. With its upgraded GPU, the M3 MacBook Pro promises a significant leap in graphics performance. But can it truly compete with dedicated gaming laptops that are built for intense action? We're about to find out. We'll be putting the M3 MacBook Pro through its paces, comparing it to popular gaming laptops in terms of raw power, graphics fidelity, and overall gaming experience. Get ready for some intense benchmarks, real-world gameplay tests, and a deep dive into the M3's capabilities. Let's see if this MacBook Pro can hang with the gaming elite. Alright, let's get down to business. In one corner, we have the sleek and stylish MacBook Pro M3, ready to prove itself in the gaming ring. In the other corner, we have a lineup of formidable opponents, powerful gaming laptops from brands like Asus, Razer, and MSI. These gaming laptops are no joke. They're packing dedicated graphics cards from NVIDIA and AMD, designed specifically to handle the demands of high-end gaming. They're built for speed, performance, and pushing graphical boundaries. So how does the MacBook Pro M3 stack up? On paper, the M3 chip's integrated GPU might seem outmatched, but Apple's silicon engineering is nothing short of remarkable. The M3 is optimized for efficiency and performance, and it packs a surprising punch for its size. We'll be comparing the M3 MacBook Pro to gaming laptops across different price points to see how it fares. Can Apple's integrated graphics solution compete with dedicated GPUs? Let's find out! To understand the M3 MacBook Pro's gaming potential, we need to pop the hood and take a closer look at its internals. Specifically, we'll be focusing on graphics performance, processing speed, and thermal management, three crucial factors that can make or break the gaming experience. The M3 chip features Apple's latest GPU architecture, designed to deliver smooth frame rates and stunning visuals. But how does it handle demanding games with complex graphics and physics? We'll be running benchmarks and analyzing frame rate data to see how the M3's GPU holds up against its dedicated counterparts. Processing speed is another critical factor in gaming performance. The M3 chip is incredibly fast, but gaming requires more than just raw processing power. We'll be looking at how the M3 handles game data, loads textures, and manages overall system performance during gameplay. And let's not forget about thermal management. Gaming laptops are notorious for getting hot, and the MacBook Pro's slim design could present challenges in keeping things cool. We'll be monitoring temperatures during our gaming sessions to see how the M3 MacBook Pro handles the heat. Benchmarks and specs are one thing, but the real test is how the MacBook Pro M3 performs in actual games. We've loaded up a selection of popular and demanding titles to see how the M3 handles different genres and graphical styles. From fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty and Fortnite to visually stunning open-world adventures like Cyberpunk 2077 and Red Dead Redemption 2, we'll be pushing the M3 MacBook Pro to its limits. We'll be paying close attention to frame rates, visual fidelity, and overall gameplay smoothness. Can the M3 MacBook Pro deliver a console-quality gaming experience on the go? We'll be sharing our findings and gameplay footage so you can see for yourself. One of the biggest concerns with gaming laptops is battery life. These power-hungry machines can drain a battery in a flash, leaving you tethered to an outlet. So, how does the MacBook Pro M3 fare in the battery life department? Apple claims impressive battery life for the M3 MacBook Pro, but those figures are based on general usage, not intense gaming sessions. We'll be running battery drain tests while gaming to see how long the MacBook Pro M3 can keep up with the action. Can the M3's efficiency translate into longer gaming sessions on the go? Or will you be reaching for the power adapter sooner than you'd like? We'll find out. gaming is just one aspect of the MacBook Pro M3 experience. This laptop is a true all-rounder, excelling in productivity, content creation, and everyday tasks. The M3 chip's incredible speed and efficiency make it a powerhouse for demanding workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. And let's not forget about macOS, Apple's intuitive and user-friendly operating system. The MacBook Pro M3's portability is another major advantage. It's incredibly thin and light for a laptop with its level of performance, making it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who's constantly on the go. So, after putting the MacBook Pro M3 through its paces, can we crown it as a true gaming laptop killer? The answer, as with most things in tech, is nuanced. The MacBook Pro M3 is an incredibly capable machine that can handle a surprising amount of gaming. Its performance is impressive, especially for a laptop with integrated graphics. The M3 chip's efficiency is remarkable, delivering long battery life even during demanding tasks. However, dedicated gaming laptops still hold an edge in terms of raw graphics processing power. If you're a hardcore gamer who demands the absolute highest frame rates and visual fidelity, a gaming laptop with a dedicated GPU might be a better choice. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you're looking for a versatile laptop that can handle both gaming and everyday tasks with ease, the MacBook Pro M3 is an excellent option. But if pure gaming performance is your top priority, a dedicated gaming laptop might be a better fit. That's it for our deep dive into the MacBook Pro M3's gaming capabilities. What do you think? Could this be your next gaming machine? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Until next time.